You, we better again, you get me? It's your boy, man, SOG, and welcome to my YouTube channel, man, you get me? I had to say that for the new people around here, man. I saw there's some new subscribers, you feel me? So I had to say that intro real quick, so you know what's the vibe, you get me? But yeah, man, it's a brand new day, brand new week even. It's the 2nd of December, you get me? Yesterday I didn't shoot any video, it was Monday. Because the market was was holiday on Friday, Thanksgiving and whatnot. The market won't move properly on Monday, obviously, you get me? At least to my liking. That's why I didn't take any trade yesterday. But before that, what go on with it, man? It's been a journey, man. This journey is crazy, bro. This journey is crazy, bro. I saw there's some new subscribers, bro. I'd like to welcome you to the channel real quick, bro. I saw you commenting and whatnot, bro. The fact that I said you should subscribe at the beginning of the video, I think that helped for you to subscribe, bro. So I'm gonna say it again. For those who are not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you're subscribed again. If you'll just hit that button. If it hurts you, then I understand. But if it doesn't take anything from you, bro, I'll appreciate it if you subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, you feel me? That's where you can communicate properly and whatnot, you get me? So yeah, man, I would appreciate that, bro. So yeah, man, it's Tuesday, top of the morning right now. The plan is as usual, I'm gonna go to the gym, gain some muscle before we come back and make some money, you get me? So yeah, man, that's the plan for today. So with that being said, let me hit you with the verse of the day, you feel me? I'm just checking real quick. Hey, you see that Bible is crazy, bro. Did you see that? Nah, but I shouldn't have showed you that Bible, bro. Come on now. It shows that it's being used, bro. When you see like that, it's being used, bro. Come on. Let me see what's the verse of the day. Let me check real quick. So yeah, man, here goes the verse of the day. You feel me? The verse of the day is Isaiah 41:10. You get me? Which reads, "Do not fear, for I am with you." You get me? Do not be dismayed, for I am with you. Let me start over real quick. So yeah, man, here goes the verse of the day. It says Isaiah 41:10, which reads, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." You get me? So that's the verse of the day right here, bro. That's God assuring you that He will help you, bro. Do not be afraid. Do not fear. You get me? For I am your God, bro. You get me? That's the verse of the day right there, bro. So yeah, with that being said, man, you feel me? Glory to God for that. You get me? You have an opportunity to chase our dream today. You feel me? He gave us life and everything, bro. You get me? So if you've seen this video, it means you have an opportunity to change your life. You get me? That's how I see it, bro. If he woke you up, it means he's not through with you yet. You get me? So let's not disappoint. You get me? So with that being said, let's go to the gym, and we'll come back and look at the chat. You get me? Yeah.
If your life was a movie and people were watching up to this point, what would the audience be screaming at the screen, telling you to do with your life? And I think it's a very orthogonal way to look at, I already know the answer of what I should be doing. I'm just scared of making the commitment and having the conversation.
Yo, we're back at the crib with it, you feel me? We're back at the crib right now. We're taking a trade right now of gold, you get me? Today I decided to trade Nasdaq instead of gold, because gold right now is moving in a direction that I don't know. You feel me? I prefer buys than sellers, you get me? So I think it's going to retest somewhere before you can buy, you get me? So let me just show you the Nasdaq trade real quick, so you can take it from there, you get me? Show you the stop loss and take profit, and why I took the trade and whatnot, you get me? Yeah, I'm tired, you get me? But yeah, let me just show you real quick. As you can see, here's the trade right here, you get me? We're on the 1 hour time frame right now. Let me try to zoom. Stop loss as usual, 1%. Take profit is the amount that I need to pass this thing, you get me? Which is less than 3% that I usually take, as you can see. You get me? So I just took in one trade right now. You get me? Let me just show you on the chart where I took the trade and whatnot. You get me? Here was journaling. As you know, it's important to journal, but you get me? So this journal is gonna be my 9th trade for this challenge. You get me? As you can see, let me just show you how it's been going. You get me? Loss, 3% hit, 3% hit, loss, 4% loss, you get me? Which is okay, which is a good risk to ratio, I think, I assume, you get me? But right now, let me just go here. Let me show you this thing. Yes, first. On the 1 hour, okay. So basically what happened is, market initially opened here, and by opening here, it took out this low and this low, you get me, taking liquidity on the lower side and tapping inside this 4-hour fair value gap. Let me show you the 4 hour. I don't want to explain too much because, like say, you see here the price came and retested inside the daily fair value gap, rejected, closed this, you feel me, CB, you get me, this is imbalance here, it closed this fair value gap right here, then it left this 4-hour fair value gap, this smaller yin here, tapped inside this, rejected from here, as you can see it's buying from here, you get me. Then I went to the lower time frame just to catch an entry proper. Let's go, the network, wait a minute, okay. As you can see here, price rejected inside this 1 hour fair value gap, rejected to take out this low, but tested inside the 4 hour. So we traded above, taking out this as a market structure shift. Right now I assume the market what will do. The reason I decided to enter here is because I'm thinking the market might use this as a as a breakaway gap, the one that it doesn't trade on, get me? So I don't want to miss the trade based on this because it might turn out to be in a not breakaway gap, and it's gonna use this as well as a breaker and this as a fair value gap, not a fair value gap but as an order block, you get me? So I assume if the market is to sell to come here to retest this breaker, order block plus fair value gap before you can buy, you get me? So my risk, I put my risk below this fair value gap here for, you get me, just for insurance, you get me, because I know that the market might look to sell, you get me, so that I'm okay with that, you get me? So with that being said, this will be, I'll just update you during the day on how this trade goes, you get me? But basically that's the analysis. And the target, I targeted this, but the reason I targeted this is because of this. Let me show you. I'll show you why I target and things of that nature. As you can see, this is liquidity here, you get me? Highs here is liquidity, high here is liquidity. So you just find the liquidity that the market is aiming for, then you put your risk to reward ratio inside that liquidity, the more the market is aiming for. As you can see, I can aim for here, but because my strategy is just 1 to 3 or whatnot, right, based on right now, is because I'm only looking for 1, something% to pass. I won't look for not 1, something, I think it's 2, something% to pass. Then I won't look for this high, you get me? I'll just target this highs here, you get me? Take my 2 to something% to pass the challenge, then I'm done, you get me? So that's how I trade basically. So with that being said, man, I'll just update you how this trade goes and whatnot, you get me? So yeah. Here's a quick update in here, and as you can see, gold Nasdaq on 1 hour time frame game. Just a quick update in here. We're back with the update in here real quick, you get me? As you can see, Nasdaq 1 hour time frame. Right now the time is, you get me, 6 p.m. you get me? As you can see, price day come up close, bruh, just like a few pips, bruh. Like I think I was running like around $100 and something, you get me? left with $10 or less just to hit take profit, you feel me, so you can pass the account. But it didn't do that, you get me. It just reversed from here, came back below on our entry here. If I put the break even to stop loss, it would have took me now. It would have took me out here, you get me. But I didn't do that, you get me. I stuck to my rules. I didn't move my stop loss. Right now, as you can see, we're running a profit of, you get me. But from a bruh, almost hitting that end to coming back down here, bruh. Come on now. But it's cool though. So right now I'm in a dilemma, and I don't know if I should put my trade to break even or I should leave it like this or what. You get me? But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna leave it like this. If you hit a loss, it's a loss. There's nothing I can do, bruh. Literally. You get me? I just have to follow my rules. I don't move my stop loss. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Nothing I can do, bruh. But as I'm seeing right now, as you can see, this candle has momentum on the downside, bruh. A lot of momentum. Plus this one came and rejected here and came back below, so it also has a momentum on the downside, you will, so which is makes it crazy, bro. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick to my rules. I'm not gonna move the stop loss and whatnot. Just gonna wait on this trade and see how it performs, you feel me. But yeah, man, I'm just glad that we executed based on our rules and everything, you feel me, because a loss within your rules is a lesson, but a loss outside your rules is a punishment, you feel me. So I rather learn the lesson than the punishment, you feel me. That's how I see it, bro. So yeah, man, we're back at it again, you feel me. Today's a brand new day, bro, you feel me. It's Wednesday today. We already came back from the gym, you get me. So right now we're just gonna take a look at what we did yesterday, because I think the trade is still on, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't checked as of yet, to get me. Well, I checked in the morning, but as of yet, since I come back to the gym, I haven't checked, to get me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check on the trade real quick and see if there's any movement or TP stop loss, whatnot, you feel me. But yeah, man, let me think real quick. Is there anything I'm missing? But now today's the second day I showed you, okay? Yeah, you feel me. So let's go ahead and look at the chart real quick, then we'll take it from there again. Yo, as you can see right here, here's the trade of yesterday, bruh, and it looks like it doesn't want to hit that TP, bruh. You see how far it just came, bruh. Look at this shit, bruh, is crazy, bruh. And it reversed from here. I think I was left with around like $2 or $1, but it didn't hit the TP, you gave me. And this is a problem, man, because sometimes the trade won't hit your TP, but I just reverse like this, right? You feel me? Close to the TP. So I don't know what I should do now, bro. What should I do, folks? Tell me, bro. Put it in the comments. What should I do, bro? Should I close here or should I continue holding? Because even the stop loss is still, wait, again, still down there. Even the top flop is still down there. Let me show you real quick, you feel me. As you can see, even the stop loss is still here. I haven't moved anything, you feel me. So what I think I'm gonna do, there's a gap even there, you get me. What I think I'm gonna do, this I do it only because this thing came close to TP, you get me. Remember, I do this because my entry is right, everything is right. My problem is it might be the TP, it's just like 2 pips, you feel me. So I don't want to lose everything that I did just because of the, you get me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this thing to break even, you get me. Gotta put this thing to break even here, $4 you get me, just for the commission and everything. Let me just show you, press here now. But I just, okay, there you go. As you can see, the TP, look at this, bruh. That's why I'm saying the problem might be the fact that the TP, you get me. It's not the fact that the direction is wrong or nothing like that. It's that we missed it by a small TP. If I was on the trade, I think I would have closed this thing, but I wasn't on the charge, you feel me. That's why I couldn't close. As you can see, here's what we are running right now. So what should I do, folks? Should I close this and wait for another setup? Should I just hold this? because right now it looks like it's trying to reverse. As you can see how it formed here, look at this, bro, losing momentum and everything. Now the sell starting to get momentum on the lower side, bro. It's crazy. You see, now the sell is getting to get momentum on the lower side here. So I don't know what I should do, but I'm confused. So, but what I'll do is I'll just analyze real quick and see what I'm seeing. If I see a proper setup on gold or something, I might lose this one and enter gold. You get me? So yeah, that's the plan for now. Let me just do the analysis real quick. Focus. There you go. Here's a quick update. Yeah, we're on the 15 minutes time frame. Nasdaq, as you can see, the time is 2:09 p.m. You get me? Right now the trade is running $97.98, as you can see. Let's see if we can hit 100 while you're here. Come on. There you go. Come on. But I'll just tell you if it is 100 or not. Let me just explain something. You get me? So basically here what I'm seeing is the market, as you can see, is playing around this fair value gap, this 15 minutes time fair value gap. You get me? It came and retested multiple times in here, but here it created two lows, break the low, and traded above this fair value gap. As you can see, there was a fair value gap here, and this fair value gap is the one that broke the low. You get me? So it traded above this fair value gap. You get me? Right now it gave me a rejection candle right here like this. If it closes above this candle, then I'm confident that we might take out this highs to hit take profit. But if it closes below this candle, this fair value gap, sorry, because there's two fair value gaps here. There's one for inverted, this one inverted fair value gap. This was the bearish fair value gap. Now there's a bullish fair value gap here, so I marked it as the 15. The bearish one, I did it with this lines here. So if price closes below this 15 minutes time fair value gap, then I might be targeting for this low. You get me? And if that's the case, it means I'll put my stop loss here. Right now I'm gonna put my stop loss here. If it breaks this, it closes below this low, it means it's targeting this low, then I'm okay with being out of the trade. You get me? Because it will have invalidated my setup and whatnot. You get me? So let me place the stop loss where I want it to be real quick, because the thing is, I've waited for this trade. I don't want this trade to come below just to take me out with nothing. You get me? Tomorrow I'll just aim for another 1% or 1.10%, something like that. So I'm gonna aim here. You get me? Just to cover commission and everything, plus to gain $60 in a game is below this low. Right now the market, I'm hoping that it does hit that take profit. I'm thinking I'm gonna extend this take profit because of the commission of everything. But right now let me just log in here. You feel me? Here I'm gonna extend it to another 1% just to cover commission and everything. You get me? Yeah, I think that will do it. So yeah, man, basically that's it right there. You get me? We hit our 100 review. You get me? So right now we are left with just $20 just to, you get me, pass the challenge. You remember that $20 of before, $25 or 25. Now we're left with that one again, bro. So hopefully this time it does hit the take profit and we pass this challenge, and upload this video, then I start a new video of the second phase. You get me? That's the plan. So yeah, man, I'll just update you how the trade goes. Oops, as you can see, price eventually hit stop loss, but that trade was holding me, I don't know why my chart, I can't extend my chart to where the price is right now. I don't know, but basically here's price. You get me? You see, once I zoom out, it does what it did. But as you can see, hit that stop loss, which was somewhere here, I think. You get me? Took us out with 1%. This is a proper selling candle, this one, bruh. As you can see, here's our profit that we made for today. You get me? But remember, this trade I took it yesterday. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm looking to take another trade on gold right now. You get me? Aim for 1% as well. You get me? Aim for another 1% or 1:10%, just to, let me just show you that Nasdaq where As you can see, here was the stop loss here, you get me? So price just hold me, bruh. Look at this, just a few pips, like I'm telling you, two points away, bruh. Just $2 away from hitting TP, bruh. But it didn't do that, you feel me? But it's okay though, we learned from this, you get me? And he kept holding me around here. Right now it's looking like it's targeting, I don't know what, maybe this fair value gap here, or this loose here, and this loose here, I don't know. But right now let's look at gold, you feel me? I'm gonna trade gold, right? You go and wear it, you feel me? It's a brand new day, bro. So yeah, man, let's do a recap. Yesterday, like I told you, I might take the trade or not, but yesterday I ended up taking that trade again. But I didn't trade gold though. I traded Nasdaq, you get me? I'll just show you right now in a minute. We're in a trade and it's running profit, you feel me? But I'll just break it down to you right now, you feel me? But right now I'm back from the gym. It's a brand new day. It's Thursday. Tomorrow I think it's NFP Friday. So yeah, you're gonna see what's gonna happen, but you get me? So let me just go to the chart, break it down real quick, then we'll take it from there. I might take another trade today. If I pass my challenge again, it means I might trade. I'll see what will happen. But maybe I'll just upload this video and start a new challenge. But I won't force any trade for today because tomorrow is NFP. The market might be moving, you feel me, sideways, unorganized, you feel me? But yeah, man, that's the plan for right now. Just gonna check the trade real quick, then we'll take it from there. As you can see right here, this is the trade that we took yesterday. It was Nasdaq 1 hour time frame. What happened is the market kept holding me here. You remember this thing I told you, but it kept like eventually reversed to tap inside this that fair value gap that we marked out. This one, it also tapped here and it came back and tapped again here, plus this break as well, you get me? This blue line is a breaker, you get me? So that's what the market did. After that, I went to a lower time frame, saw something. Let me just try to show you. Did I enter on the 5-1? As you can see, rejected it on this 5 minutes fair value gap here after breaking this, creating a market structure shift from here. Remember, look at this. This is a low broken. You get me? This is a market structure shift here. I didn't mark it out, but this is a market structure shift. They left a fair value gap here, retested inside this fair value gap, but I didn't enter here because after this down like movement like this, I was hesitant on, you feel me? I just wanted the market to give me more information first. So after I traded above here, then that's when I started looking for entry because it started rejecting off this fair value gap right here, you get me? After I broke this high, you get me? So yeah, man, that's what I did. I targeted for this highs here, plus there's another high that I'm targeting here that will allow me to pass my challenge, you get me? So yeah, man, let me do this. So far this is how we're looking, you get me? So the market is being consolidated midnight here. Right now it's showing momentum. I don't know if this momentum will hold or what will happen, you get me? But let me just show you here on the phone how much you are running. Right now I'm just trying to show you something. As you can see, stop loss is still way below here, you get me? And now we're running. You're only left with, I would say, another maybe $16 or something. Bruh, why is this thing like this here, bruh? Look at this thing, bruh. They're trying to sell me that 3 swap of 3, bruh. That's crazy, bruh. A swap of 3 is crazy. And the last time they gave me a swap of 1. Right now they're changing it to 3. I don't understand why, bruh. But it's okay though, you feel me? I'll just update you on this trade. Right now I don't know why the history is not showing. I think it's the network, I don't know. You boys, what go on with it, man? I got some good news for y'all boys, man. We finally passed the challenge, bro. That's great news, bro. It's been a long wait, you get me? If you've been with me through this challenge, you know how the market be doing me. Yeah, it's been doing me dates and everything, you get me? But right now we finally passed the challenge. We're moving on to our phase 2. Glory to God for that, you get me? We're moving on to our phase 2. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna upload this video. After uploading this video, I'm gonna start shooting but now I'm gonna trade next week. I think tomorrow is NFP, so I'm not gonna trade for the rest of the week. I'll start the phase 2 next week, you get me? So yeah, man, let me just show you the dashboard. But before I do that, let's give praise to where it's due, you feel me? Let's give glory to where it's due, bro. What? I got a Bellas on me right now. I'm just reading the verse you gave me just to give glory to God, bro. He said, Isaiah 25:1, it reads, Lord, you are my God. I'll exalt you. I'll praise your name, for you have done wonderful things planned long ago, faithful and sure. You gave me faithful and sure, bro. You gave me. That's the verse, bro. That's the glory to God. You feel me? That's all I can say. I know it's only phase 1, but we could have failed phase 1. You get me? It's all about perspective. You get me? You could have failed phase 1. You feel me? But we didn't. We passed, so we give glory to us. You feel me? So yeah, man, let me just show you. I passed the account and whatnot. You feel me? Show you my second account and things like that. So yeah, man, this is the trade that passed me the challenge right here. You get me? It finally hit our stop loss here, and not stop loss. What you call take profit? You feel me? Finally, after. Hey, but if you check, like if you were watching throughout this whole video, you know what I'm talking about. You get me? So this is the trade right here. That means we passed the challenge. It came and hit the TP right here, and it reversed. Imagine, but if it could have caught me in this trade, bro, crazy. You get me? Let me show you the. Is it this one? Yeah, bro. This is the phase 2. But I just wanted to show you. Let me check here first, bro. I think it's this one. Let me go back. As you can see here, right here, I don't want this video to be long. It's long enough, man. I just want to wrap this up real quick. As you can see, past right here is written right here. Past, you feel me? Past our phase 1. Now we move on to our phase 2. You get me? We move on to our phase 2. Let me just click the dashboard real quick. As you can see, you feel me? 10 trades in total, 50%. What? 50 win rate? Are you kidding me, bro? Come on now. You get me? I could have passed this a long time ago, if you all know what I'm talking about. A long time ago. Let's go in here. 75% consistency, not bad, bro. 5 wins, 5 losses, not bad, bro. But yeah, man. So this will be I don't want this video to be long. Again, what I will continue doing, I'll just finish journaling this trade right here. This is my 10th trade. I'm just gonna journal it right here. So yeah, man, this will be the end of the video. What will happen is I'll catch y'all boys next week. You get me? As you can see, here's the trade here before. I'm gonna post the after here. You see, this is the exit screen. I'm gonna post the ask right here. So yeah, boys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure you all subscribe, bro, so you don't miss the second phase. You feel me? Sometimes you think you subscribe and you're not. You find out you're watching me without subscribing. Imagine, bro. Imagine. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. That's it for me.